A snowstorm in New York City. A man and his kids take the subway to go sledding. I am on my way to go to Central Park. I am taking the train to the biggest public park in New York City called Central Park. This was January 26, 2026, and New York City got hit with a foot of snow, which is 12 inches, which is, I don't know how many centimeters, because in the United States, for some reason, we use inches and feet. But we got a lot of snow, as you can see. But what's cool about a city like New York is that even though there is a lot of snow, even though it's cold, it's freezing, people are still outside, enjoying the city, walking around, taking pictures, and it's beautiful. It actually was really, really cold. So it was difficult to film this video because my hands were absolutely freezing. And this is why this video is less than 5 minutes long, because my hands almost froze off. This was very beautiful. In Central Park, there were many ducks swimming, and people were feeding the ducks as the snow fell. In weather like this, you have to wear the right clothes. I wore my Doc Marten boots so I could walk through snow like this and my feet would not get wet or cold. The snow is fluffy. Here you can see on the left is the lane for horses, on the right is the lane for cars, and here is the sidewalk. Here is a man riding a bike, or this is called a pedicab, where they will pick you up and bike you around the city. When there's this much snow, the sound of the city also changes. It is quieter. You don't hear the sounds of the cars, different sounds of the city as much. So it gives everything an overall different vibe. By this point, my hands are absolutely frozen, so I decided to take a break and get some hot coffee and some food. I went to a classic diner in Manhattan. I ordered eggs, toast, a latte, potatoes. It was really good, and I was able to thaw out and be less cold, which is nice. For this breakfast and a coffee, I paid $27, which to me seems very expensive for breakfast, but I guess that's the world that we're living in. So after I warmed up a little bit, I went back outside and continued my stroll through New York. You can see how heavy it was snowing. So I got back on the train, made my way back home. Back home to where it is warm.